So what we have made basically is we have integrated Arduino with IoT, and we made a simple and economical money checking device, which basically checks whether a money bill is counterfeit or authentic.
And this is the Quantum Rover. It is an intelligent 4WD robotic car that can see, think, and act.
If there is a gas leak in your kitchen, it sends it to the Arduino Uno and send it to the SIM module system and calls your phone within 5 to 10 seconds.
This is a game I made using Unity. It's a car game where you drive around in a mountainous terrain with dynamic lighting.
So in this Funscape is an interactive game that I have made, and in this game it tests your child's ability, and also we can battle each other. It's a two-player game, and the most about this game that you learn something from it, and it has a lot of maths quizzes and science, all the games together.